Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Today's reading is going to be different, Gemini. For your daily energies, I'll be picking few cards. For your relationship, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So the first card we choose from the deck, that is going to be the first reading, the first choice, and the second card is the second reading. So, any questions you have in your mind or doubts, you can think about those and choose the card and watch that reading, guys. So that for that I'll be picking the cards after we finish this daily reading, Gemini. So let's start with these cards first. Let's see what it is. It's Four of Pentacles in reverse, Five of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. So, Gemini, with these cards in your situation, you are a very talented and skilled person. So, whatever you do, it may be something in your career, you are seeing success and things are going in a very positive way today, guys. So, whatever path you choose for yourself, you are tasting success in that. And maybe in certain things, maybe it may be again in your career. Today, you may see some delays, maybe in your projects or some deals, financial investments, whatever it is, you may see some delays or certain projects may get suspended, guys. And I also see that some kind of troubles are there. Again, it may be in your career or in your personal life situation. So, with this person, you may have love, you may have understanding, but still, they are, both of you are not having that perfect compatibility. So, something is wrong, maybe. For some of you, it may be some illness that is stressing you, or some misunderstandings, or some fights. So, whatever it is, guys, let us see what are the other cards. So, for more clarity, guys, we'll be picking two more cards. So, that is going to be your pick a card love reading. So, whatever your situation is, you can think about it. And I'll be picking two cards from this deck, the other deck. So, this is your first card, Gemini, and this is your second card. So, you can think about the questions you have in your mind about your situation, and I will open the card now, the first card. So that will be the first reading. This is your first choice and this is the second choice. So I will open this card first after a few seconds of silence. So let's start with this card. So Gemini, for those who chose this card, let's see. Sun. Such a beautiful card here, guys, for your relationship. So for those who have chosen this deck, it just means that whatever problems or whatever troubles you are having in this connection, all that is going to disappear, guys. So this relationship is simply going to flourish. You are going to feel happy. You will get that understanding, mutual love, respect, and understanding in this connection. And whatever dreams that you are having for yourself and this person and this connection for this love, all that is going to come about. You are going to feel extremely happy, content, that emotional contentment and gratefulness, thankfulness is there in your heart. So, in your situation today, you are simply going to enjoy. Everything is possible and everything you need to know will come right in front of you. So maybe you were in some kind of a confusion. That may be the reason for some troubles or some stressful situations you had in this love, in this connection. But today you may get that clarity, better understanding, and mutual love, respect is there, and things are just going to fall into place. So that is what I see with this card, guys. The first card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who have chosen this card, Fool. So this is the card here, guys, for those who have chosen this second card. And the energy with this card is that maybe in this connection, in this love is not logical, guys. Sometimes it may even be impractical. So with this card, the energy is that you are taking that risk in this connection. Maybe with this person, you may not share that great trust, faith with them. You are simply stepping into unknown. You feel that you can trust only yourself, or maybe the truth is you can trust only yourself and not this person. So there is some kind of an immature energy. Maybe they are immature. They are not ready to step up to that responsibility, what is needed for this connection. So you are taking that extra effort for them also. So you are putting in extra effort to make this connection work. So you love them, but you are not sure whether they love you. Maybe regardless of what they feel, you have trust and faith in yourself, and you are just rushing to make that choice, make this connection work, make this love work for you, guys. So maybe for some of you, the reasons for this connection, maybe it may be your destiny, the reason for them in your life. So without that reciprocation of love and understanding, you are rushing towards this connection. So I see a hand of fate working in this connection, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, with this card for your second reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.